Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to channel Maths with Umar, and in this session we are going to see 11th to 15th problem of PMCQ 1. Okay, distance of point P2, 3 from x-axis, and we all know that x-axis, if you take any point on x-axis, it will be in the form of x, 0. Wherever if the point is on x-axis, the y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate depends on wherever is the point, right? Now, students, what is this is not even a problem, no need of keeping pen over here. You can directly tell. But after seeing point on x, 0 and distance, most of the students will do distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here, no need to do it because there is variable. How will you find the answer? And the answers given over there are numericals. So you just try to draw coordinate axis, and where is point 2, 3? Let us say that these are at equidistances. Okay, these are the points. So now where is 2, 3? X coordinate 2, this is 2. And y coordinate 3, 1, 2, 3. So now if you draw parallel lines to this, so this point is 2, 3. And what is the question? The question is, what is the distance of point from x-axis? So if you want the distance, check the distance. It is 1, 2 and 3. So the distance is equal to 3 units. That's it. Got it? So this problem, since distance is there, don't use square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it right? Understood, everybody? The next question: if a circus artist climbs through 30 meters long rope from top of a vertical pole to ground. If the long rope is tied from this is vertical pole, let us say this is vertical pole, okay, and it is 30-meter long rope tied from the pole to ground. Okay, let us say this is the ground. Understood? And now he is asking what is the distance of pole to the peg. If the angle made by the rope to the ground is 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30 degrees and already 30-meter long rope. This is 30 meters. So let us write here 30 meters. And now he is asking the distance between pole and peg. And until or unless you draw this figure, you will not get the correct answer. What is the angle between pole and ground? It is 90 degrees. So what is the side opposite to 90 degrees? It is hypotenuse. And what is this called as? The side which is adjacent to the angle. It is adjacent angle, right? Adjacent side. So angle is given, hypotenuse and adjacent is given. So what is the trigonometric ratio which is in terms of hypotenuse and adjacent side? So you have cos, right? See, you have to remember this. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Is it right? So that implies, what is cos theta? Theta is 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees equals, what is adjacent side? You don't know. Divided by what is hypotenuse? 30 meters. And what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That is equal to a divided by 30. And since you have to find the variable a, transpose 30 to other side. So what happens? It is in denominator, it comes to numerator with multiplication. Root 3 30 multiplied by root 3 divided by 2 is a. So 1s are 2, 2 in 30, 15 times. So therefore a is equal to 15 root 3 units. what is it is given meters, right? So it will be in 15 root 3 meters. So the distance between the peg and ground is pole and the peg is 15 root 3 meters. Got it? Let us see the next problem. So 13th question states that there are cards, there is a box in which cards are kept out and the cards are numbered from 6 to 50. So that means what are the cards? For example, one card is 6, 7, 8, 9, so on to 50. Understood? So what is the probability of selecting a card with perfect squares? Better you have to understand, first write what are perfect squares. What are perfect squares we have studied. What are perfect squares? The perfect squares are the numbers which you get when you multiply a number with itself. For example, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, next 16, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, and 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81, 10 into 10, 100, so on. These numbers are called as perfect squares. Now, what he is telling, the numbers, the cards are numbered from 6 to 50. So that means this is not there, this is not there. And 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 are not there. So only perfect squares between 6 and 50 are 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. So therefore, probability of perfect square is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by number of total outcomes. How many are there? Is it 15? No. The starting number is 6. Understood or not? So 50 minus 6 how much? 44. And you have to add this one also, the number 6, because it is included. So total cards are 45. 5 by 45. Is there any common factor? 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. So therefore, probability of perfect square is equal to 1 by 9. Got it, my dear students? So let us see the 14th question. What is 14th question given? PA and PB are tangents. Angle APB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle OAB you have to find. See, figure is given, but I have not copied because I wanted to show you. See, when you PA and PB are tangents, draw a circle. Understood? Yeah. Yesterday, one of my students he was drawing circle tangents like this. He tried to draw the tangents, but he thought that it is going at a distance, so he drew like this because there was no space in the notebook. So what I tell you is, it is very simple. No need to draw it. If it is, the page is still here, take a point over it. Anywhere near the point, keep the scale and join this. And this is also, you take a scale and see that it joins the end. Kalas, you got the what is the tangents? Okay, draw the figure properly. Now, let us see. This is point A, and this is this is point P, external point, and this is B. This is center. Okay, this is center O. So if I join OA and OB. Now, APB is how much? 60 degrees. Okay, and now he is asking OAB, and this he has asked for 1 mark. See, it is very easy to find out. It is very easy to find out. Let me tell you that you can use any concept. Okay, You can use this problem can be done in two ways. Now OAB, right? What is the first one? I'll tell you. What do you say about PA and PB? What are PA and PB? Tangents. So tangents are equal. So what is the concept? So tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Come on, right? What are you seeing? This is very important. So PA is equal to PB. Understood or not? These two are equal. Understood or not? Now another concept which is very important. What is the angle between radius and the tangent at the point of contact? It is a theorem. What is the angle between radius and tangent at the point of contact? So yes, angle between, this is first concept and this is second one. Angle between radius and tangent at point of contact. Is equal to 90 degrees. Understood or not? So what is radius here? OA, and what is the tangent? AP. So the angle between these two is 90 degrees. That means angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. These are the two important concepts which are used over here. Understood? Now this is 90 degrees. If I can find this angle, can I subtract it? Yes, you can subtract. So and now, so in triangle APB, I am talking about this triangle APB. So in triangle APB, okay, there are two methods. First method I am telling you. So this is PA is equal to PB, right? So what do you say about these two angles? PAB, angle PAB is equal to angle PBA is equal to x. x समझो, इसको x समझो, इसको और इसको x समझो, तो क्या हो गया? x plus 60 कितना हो गया? That implies x plus 60 degrees is equal to how much? What is sum of three angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. So what is x plus x? 2x. Is it right? So 2x is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees. That implies 2x is equal to 120. So that implies x is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. So did you get this is 60 degrees? Understood? And this is also 60 degrees, right? So now OAP is how much? Angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. How is OAP formed? OAP is the sum of OAB and BAP, right? So that implies OAP is equal to, ये total sum कितना है? 90 degrees है. From 90 degrees, if I subtract this 60 degrees, what is left out here? 30 degrees. So that is the answer. That is the concept. So let me do it. So how will you write? OAP is equal to question mark plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So that implies question mark is equal to 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 degrees. So angle OAP is equal to, therefore angle OAB is equal to 30 degrees. This is first method, okay? Second method, you can draw this figure. Now second method, let me explain. See, this is what the figure, right? Now forget about this line. what does this represent? This is 90 degrees, and here also you have 90 degrees. So OAPB. What is OAPB? What is OAPB? OAPB. How many sides are there? 4 quadrilaterals. So in quadrilateral OAPB, what is sum of angles? What is sum of 4 angles? Sum of 4 angles is equal to 360 degrees. So angle O plus angle A plus angle P plus angle B is equal to 360 degrees. Understood? So you don't know what is angle O, but angle A we know it is 90 degrees, angle P 60 degrees, angle P 90 degrees is equal to 360. That implies angle O plus 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 90, 240. 240 is equal to 360. That implies angle O is equal to 360 minus 240, that is equal to 120 degrees. So what is the angle over here? This is 120 degrees, right? Now let me draw this line. So you have to find only this angle, okay? And you have in triangle OAB, is OA equal to OB? Is OA is equal to OB? Why? Radii, because radius. In triangle OAB, these two are radius. So that means, what do you say about these two angles? This is y and this is also y, right? So 120 plus y is equal to how much? Sum of 3 angles in a triangle, 180 degrees. So 122 इधर बिछाओ, y plus y, 2y is equal to 180 minus 120. That implies 2y is equal to 60. That implies y is equal to 60 divided by 2, that is equal to 30 degrees. See, anyway you can do. These are the two processes. Understood, my dear students? Practice both the problems, both the methods. Practice both the methods because it will be useful for you. Let us see the next problem, 15th. See, the 15th question, lines, 2 lines are given and they are parallel. And you have to find the value of k. So there are how many cases you have? You have 3 situations, right? What is the first situation? The first situation is 2 lines intersecting at each other. So if 2 lines intersect each other, what is this? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, right? And the second one is if 2 lines are parallel. If 2 lines are parallel, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 and it is not equal to C1 by C2. Am I right? And what is the third situation? Third situation means one line is above another line, that means coincident. So if they are coincident, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Understood? समझ में आया? So now he is saying that they are parallel. So this is A1, this is B1 and this is C1, this is A2, B2 and C2. Write these things in rough at least. You will remember. Now what he is telling? Those are parallel. So that implies what? What is the situation for parallel? For parallel, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So that implies what is A1? 3 by 2 is equal to what is B1? 2K. 2K by 5. And it is not equal to, so what is C1? Sorry. What is C1? And C1 is what? C1 is minus 2 divided by 1. So now when these two are equal, let us take these two first now. 3 by 2 is equal to 2k by 5. So if I transpose, what happens here? And if I transpose 2 to other side. So that implies 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to k. So therefore k is equal to 3 5s are 15 by 4. Understood or not? K is equal to 15 by 4. So the value of k is 15 by 4. And when you equate these two, what will happen? Let us see. 2k divided by 5 equals minus 2. So transpose minus 5 and 2 to other sides. So k is equal to, when I transpose 5 from denominator, it is 5 divided by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So therefore k is not equal to minus 5. So there are two conditions. The value of k is 15 by 4 and k should not be equal to minus 5. This also can be asked. Is it clear, my dear students? So please practice these questions. And as I said in the video in the morning, what did I tell you? If it is 2 mark, if it is 1 mark problem, try to complete within 2 minutes. Every question. If it is 2 marks, 4 minutes. If it is 3 marks, 6 minutes. If it is 4 marks problem, case study, it is 8 minutes. This is very important because case study consists of 3 bits. First, second, A, B and C. So you have to do 3 bits within 8 minutes. So please remember. And if it is for 5 marks, and you can take for each question 10 minutes. So please practice this question and practice the questions. Suppose if you are taking one problem, let us say this problem you have taken and you are finding the value of k, keep the stopwatch, and if you are able to do within 2 minutes, then fine, go to the next problem. If you are unable to do, pause it, practice it in such a way that you complete that question within 2 minutes. Understood or not? This is the most important thing. And when you are doing for the first PMCQs, second PMCQ, it may take more time and you need more and more practice until you complete within 2 minutes. But believe me, after doing 3 or 4 PMCQs, you will do all the problems within the time limit. Understood, my dear students? So take care, and if you please share this video to your friends, and also if you are understood, please like. Your likes will let me know whether you understood or not. So take care and practice. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.